Hi guys, today I am going to be making classic carrot cake. Quite easy to make. It's basically you put all the ingredients in except the carrots and the walnuts, but I'll explain that as I go along.
Hey everyone, I hope you're hungry because Jeanette's gonna be dishing out some mighty fine food. Oh my. Please comment, subscribe, and like, and let's get our baking on. That's right.
Right, so you need 16 fluid ounces of vegetable oil, 14 ounces of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, 5 eggs. And it's just a case of you just chuck everything in except for the carrots and the walnuts. So there is 2.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And last but not least, 1 pound and 4 ounces of sugar. It does just say sugar, but I always like to use caster sugar because it's a more refined sugar than ordinary sugar. So that goes in there. Right, now I've grated up, it's a 1 pound 3 ounce of grated carrot, so that goes in. Right, last but not least is 5.5 ounces of shelled walnuts, and it says chopped, but I've done them in a liquidizer. Right, that's now ready to go in the tin. As you can see, there's quite a bit of mixture there. So basically this is the deepest loose bottom tin that I've got. So I've put one of my liners in, so if there's way too much stuff, I'm going to put half of it in and make 2, if that makes sense. Right, so that needs going in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade, gas mark 4 for an hour and 15 minutes. And obviously because I've only filled it so far up, I'm going to make like 2 carrot cakes. So obviously with it being less mixture, it might not take as long. But I haven't got the right size pan, so we'll wait and see. See you in a bit, guys. With that carrot cake mixture, it's actually made 2, so I've got one there and I've got another one there. So basically I've just got to hope now that the icing mix will cover both of them. So basically they was in the oven about an hour each. So the last step obviously is to make the icing for it. So here we have 5.5 ounces of caster sugar, 7 ounces of cream cheese. I have used a reputable one and it's Philadelphia. And also into that you need 3.5 ounces of butter. And now it's just a case of you cream it all together. So now it's just a case of putting it on the carrot cake, and I'm hoping that this will do 2 cakes. So here we have it, guys. I've got 2 for the price of one 2 carrot cakes. The icing did actually cover 2 carrot cakes, so yes. So Mr. P will obviously put all the ingredients in the description. Bear in mind, it does make a lot of cake mixture, but same as I say, my cake tin was quite deep and it made 2. So just bear that in mind, guys, when if you do make it. So it will leave all the ingredients and everything in the description. So don't forget to like, comment, and obviously if you're not subscribed to me, subscribe to me. So I'll see you later, guys. Bye.